We probably all know one of those people who takes holidays to the next level. Every year they break out all the special decorations, they blast the Christmas music, and they probably even switch up their entire wardrobe.
Oh yeah, so now imagine there was an entire town that took things to the next level this time of year and redefined what it means to celebrate the season. That town would have to be Milton.
That's right, which is why we have Debbie Pecoraro, a co-chair with the Women's Club of Milton Holiday House Tour, and Danielle Mummert, the chair of the Milton Holiday House Tour docents, with us here today. Welcome.
Welcome, ladies.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for having us.
So before we get into the tour, tell us a little bit about how you got involved with the club.
Well, the club has really championed this event for several years now. And it's actually been in existence, the Holly Fest, for over 20 years in Milton. And it's such a fun time for the town to showcase its beautiful buildings, historical features, all our public venues. We just chose it as a project that we thought would help raise money for all the projects we do as the Women's Club of Milton.
Yes, can you talk a little bit about those projects?
Sure. Women's Club of Milton is a not-for-profit volunteer organization. It's part of the GFWC, which is the General Federation of Women's Club, an international club of women volunteers, people who are doing things in their community to make the community a better place to live. And of course, every town has problems, but we look at them and we say, how can we help in some way? So this particular event, the Holly House Tour, is our biggest fundraiser. We give over $12,000 worth of scholarships every year. We give funding to our libraries. People volunteer in the school systems. We have all kinds of things for our homeless population that we do. And this particular club is dedicated to making everything a little bit better in our little town.
Yeah, and of course you're run by volunteers, Danielle,
Yes,
so
yes.
why is that important that you have that volunteerism?
Well, we start the planning early toward the end of summer for the Holiday House Tours. This is our biggest event, and we have 7 wonderful private homes, a good mix of historic as well as newer homes, and we have to have docents to greet our guests and help them understand where to walk through the home and how to have the best view of the holiday decorations. And this year we needed 60 volunteers at a minimum just to greet our guests and make sure that everyone is where they need to be. So we really rely on volunteers in our community, and we partner with the local Milton Garden Club and other nonprofits to get our volunteers, and we really need their help to make this event a success.
Sure,
It takes a village.
It does, it does.
So tell us a little bit about the Milton Holly Festival.
The Holly Fest runs from 9 to 3 this Saturday, the 9th. And at that, we have all the public buildings open, we have the schools open, we have vendors, we have artisans, we have crafters of all sorts. I think they told us we have over 100 crafters this year. And people come to town, see how cute it is, do a little Christmas shopping. We have a huge bake sale that the Women's Club also does. Nice special goodies that have been made for years and years in their families and passed down to sell at our show. So.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have the Holiday House Tour and you have the Holly event, the Holly Festival.
Yes.
So we're going to go over the event details of where and when everything is. So let's start with the Holiday House.
The Holiday House and the Holly Fest run simultaneously. The Holly Fest is from 9 to 3, and our Holiday House Tour runs from 2 to 6 the same day. Purchasing of tickets for the event are right here in town, Milton, at the Mercantile, or in Lewis at Lewis Gourmet. Before the event, the tickets are $25, but at the day of the event, they'll be selling them at the Milton Historical Society for $30. So it's get your tickets early.
Get their tickets early. And of course, we'll have information on our website, DelmarvaLife.com. Click on what's happening today so you can get all that information. Debbie and Danielle, thank you so much for coming in today. And good luck with the events.
Thank you. We look forward to seeing everyone.